Hello, guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we're going to check the progression test style question number 3 of the stage 7. This one says round 3.549 to the nearest tenth. So we need to have clear that the position of the tenths is this one. Remember, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So that means we need to cut the number. So remember to cut it, we just need to check the next digit. Let's ignore this one because here is easy to get confused. The 9 rounds the 4 to a 5, and then the 5 tells me to go up, so it's going to be 3.6. No, guys, because we just need to check the 4. The 4 is smaller than 5, so we go ahead and keep it down 3.5. And think about it. If you put this between 3.5 and 3.6, right in the middle, you are going to have 3.55. You can also see it as 3.550. The zero at the end doesn't harm. But I put it just for you to compare with this one, 549. So it's right here, right before the 3.550. So yes, it should go to the closest one, 3.5. And that's how you get the mark. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Give me a like if it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe, book your own lessons with me. I leave you the link in the description. And drop any question you have in the comments box. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.